We have just arrived at the Texas Hunters Convention down here in Irving, Texas. That's right on the north side of Dallas-Fort Worth area. This is our very first time to the state of Texas, so we are super excited to see what's inside here. Without further ado, let's go look at some spooky stuff.
We just got here, and before we even get on the show floor, there's some vendors we're gonna check out here. They have Ghostbusters.
Just so you know, if you're trying to get a photo, it's actually extremely hard to get a photo of him, as all those are.
Yeah.
This is our raffle pack. This is $5 a ticket. You scan that QR code right there. All proceeds are going to the Mental Well Senior Center. It's going to be raffled off in October. City of Denton, we're the official Ghostbusters of the City of Denton. The winner of the raffle gets this wonderful pack. I'm going to light it up here. It's got all the sounds, all the bells and whistles to it. Super loud. And if any of y'all familiar with the video game, it has all the functions of the video game as well. As a slime blower. It has stasis stream, sorry. It has the boson darts. And then back to regular. No, you do not need to be local. So if the winner is out of state, we will ship it. Yep.
Okay, very cool. Costumes and masks. At the Texas Hunters Convention, you can trick or treat. Woo, trick or treat. Oh yeah, thank you.
I think I spotted a Spidey costume over there.
The show floor is too crowded for that.
You need to go over and see if it's a real person.
I can't.
I think you can.
They're fanning it. It's got to be a real person.
It's pretty open.
You go look at it. They have Oddities.
Dare to sit? What are you getting into here?
It says I've been marked. I don't know.
Okay, I'm in
It
the
says
mirror.
run
That
for
can't
your
be
life.
good.
It's telling me to run. Can you hear the voices?
I don't hear the voices. Do you hear the voices?
I do hear the voices. That's not good. Yeah, it says you better run.
Oh my.
You really don't hear that?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, what the heck? That's super cool. Homemade spooky stuff. Can we peekaboo?
Elmo plays peekaboo.
Oh God. Peekaboo! Elmo, what happened to your head? She's got a brain. Oh! That's awesome! All right. What are we getting? Ooh, free candy.
Free candy.
Trick or treat! Yeah. Oh, we're gonna go with the Twix.
Oh
So
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I kind of want to smell these for sure. Oh, that smells amazing.
Nora found the vintage.
I did. Of course I found the vintage. I just had one of those scariest experiences ever here at the Texas Haunters Convention. Stay tuned to the end of the video and we will show you what happened. I'm like shaking from it. Aww, you can take home a pet ghost. Those were cute. They have props and animatronics. Oh, right there. We gotta pop them. Yeah. Ah, I missed them. You have to pop the foggles. Have to pop them. Pop them all. He's like, say, I'm the owner of the store. Aww. Hi, baby. He's so sweet. Aww. You have to visit Scrappy's just so you can meet him. Enter at your own risk. Oh. The dead are rising. Uh-oh. You just stay down there. This is really cool. We're inside the mausoleum.
Smells like roses.
It does smell like roses. Mmm. Smells really good. Oh yeah.
You see that one up there, Nora?
Ooh, they're moving.
It's the most
And you can go little, medium, or hardcore.
I don't know if I want to face my fears.
You can't say no.
You got $5? $5. I got
Maybe.
a card. I got a card.
Let's do it.
Can we film it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You sit in the lobotomy chair from the 1800s. We're going to go on your pace. You tell me when to go, when to stop. And
Blindfold. Okay, I got this.
ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, she's going back.
We're gonna face fears. What is that?
Lobotomy chair from the 1800s.
Oh my God,
Take a
so
seat in here.
Oh, jeez.
You're going to place on a blindfold.
Blindfold.
My name is McKinney the Clown. I'm a real clown. A professional one. So I want you to put these on.
I've been taught not to ever trust clowns.
Well,
There might be your.
you'll find out. You cannot take this off. Now you've committed.
Oh my God, this is so weird.
You're committed.
Oh, it's weird. Yeah, I'm committed.
Okay.
Oh God.
I want you to put your hand out. Turn it around. Now when you're ready, you tell me.
Ready?
Ready?
I think.
Ready, Freddie?
I don't know.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Tell me when to go.
Go.
Go?
Yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh no! I don't like it. What is that? I don't like it. Oh my God! What is that? It's a bug.
It is a bug.
World called a giant cave cockroach.
I'm
That's
so glad
cool.
that's not a spider. If that would have been a spider, I'd have been out of this chair. I thought that was going to be fake.
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh
God.
gosh.
Game on. We're gonna go at your pace. You tell us when to go.
Okay. Oh
Get
my.
comfortable.
Oh my. Oh God. Can't see nothing.
Can't see nothing.
Nothing.
Tell me
Okay.
when.
Hey, win.
Okay, put your hand out.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh. What is? Oh. Oh. It's going up my arm. Oh God. Oh God. What is that? What is that?
This is the best $5 ever.
Oh gosh. What is that? That's terrifying.
We're going another round.
You for another round? All right.
Round.
Bonus.
Oh,
shit.
my. Glasses back on? All right, cool.
Oh.
It's getting pretty intense now.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
is.
All right.
Uh-oh. What is that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Going up my arm again.
Oh my God.
What is that? Oh no. It's up on my neck. Oh God. What is that? Oh. Oh, it's big.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh.
Oh my. Oh my. It's kind of slimy feeling.
You're good.
Oh.
You're good.
What is that? Oh. Oh my.
He surely knows what that is
It's
at
going
this
all
point.
over. Oh.
Oh my
It's a
goodness.
slithery. I think it's a danger noodle.
It's a danger.
Oh.
Nice.
Aw.
Hello.
That's awesome.
Hello.
Mushroom.
This hi mushroom.
Hi, mushroom.
Hello.
Yeah, mushroom's awesome. It's
Uh-huh.
a therapy snake, and we
Therapy
treat
snake.
people with fear of snakes with mushroom.
That's very
That's really
cool.
Very
cool.
calm and docile.
Hello.
She's our favorite snake we have in our collection.
She's very sweet. Guys, that was just a very small taste of what the Texas Hunters Convention has to offer. Make sure you come out here and check them out next time you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you want to see some more hunt conventions, I've got the next one linked for you right here. You're not going to want to miss it. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.